my name is Barbara.Balcom. I'm here at Guaranty RV, and today what I'd like to show you is one of our Sundance XLT ultralights. This is a super nice trailer, aluminum framed. What you're seeing here is our stock number T37671A. It's a used unit. We had a family that traded it in on a fifth wheel. So I'm going to do a quick walk around for you and show you some of the features and benefits. And I think that this time I'm going to go on the outside first, and then we'll go on in. So one of the things that I'd like to show you right away is this storage area. And this gives me a couple of different opportunities. Number one, you can see that this is an aluminum frame trailer, that you see plywood up here. It's got LED lighting all the way across. It's a nice wide opening. It makes for super storage, and it's just dandy. Got a nice wide slide here. Now this slide opens with just the touch of a button, which is dandy. Anybody can do it. It is equipped for a satellite, for cable. It is a 30 amp service, and when I tell you it's a 30 amp service, what that means to you is you can plug this in to any campground, like I said, a state, federal, or county park, and you're going to have a great marriage between their power and yours. It's got a little spradius, so you got a place to wash down your cooler or the puppy or your feet or whatever. An internal holding tank flushing system. This is a nice feature right here, because when you are discharging the wastewater and the sink water, shower water and whatnot, you only have to hook up one time. So I'm going to have the cameraman switch around here and show you this mechanism that's underneath the slide. That is what's called a hydraulic mechanism, and it's been proven to be very, very, very sturdy and something that's always going to slide in and slide out with ease. We'll come around the back. This mechanism right here is set up so, and it has a barbecue. So this swings around here, and right in here, I'm going to have to slide in a bit. You have one of those outside kitchens, which is really nice to have. It just gives you that one more thing that you can do. But I'm a little tight, so I'm just going to show you that. You've got a refrigerator, you've got a sink that drains down into the tanks. This pulls out, and you have a nice range top. And we're going to go right in here to the front door. So as I walk up here, you can probably see that this door is a pretty good sized door. Some of them are a little smaller than that, and I happen to think that it's nice that when I come in this 30-inch door, there's no trying to squeeze anything in. A lot of times you're carrying a bag or some food or something in the RV. And when you get in here, it is very homey. It's warm. It feels like home. We have a bow floor on the floor here, so it's stain resistant, mildew resistant. It recovers, so if you're going to be in the rocks and the sand, that just goes with camping. So this is a high grade floor that'll last a long time, that won't give you any trouble at all. This sofa right here, you've got the little cup holders with it. Again, this is going to fold down into a bed, so you've got a little extra place for the kids and a little more storage. There we go. The dinette as well is going to fold down into a bed and more storage. And that's what I hear my families tell me. We need storage. We need storage. And a lot of times you can't find that as much as you'd like to. So you've got a place to sit down and have a nice meal, to lie down. This will make down into a bed. Check out the bathroom. So we had talked a little bit about the construction of this unit. It does have a barrel roof, so if you're 6'4", you're gonna fit in it. It's got a great flat shower in it, so you can turn around in it. It's got a skylight, it's got a vent and a fan. You've got some nice cabinets here to store your goods. And that's, again, we're talking storage, storage, storage. A basin in the bathroom with a GFI outlet. A nice cosmetic cabinet, just a couple of things like that make it a little easier for you along the way. And then of course here's our bunks. So So the kids are, you know, whether they're young kids or older kids, they have an outlet, they have a light, and they've got a window, so some cross ventilation and a place to store their stuff. Here's a closet. You've got one below, place to say, put your coat away. Now they got a place to put it. And more storage under here. Same program. It's a place for their shoes, their backpacks, or whatever the case may be. We're doing an ad on, we've been doing an ad here during the month of January on the Sundance line. And this just happens to be a unit that the client traded in. So you're getting a like new unit for a used price, which is always a bargain. You've got a Dometic refrigerator here, big freezer, plenty of space for anything that you want to take along. A microwave, a nice range top, and an oven. So I'm big on ovens. I like to make scalloped potatoes, or sometimes I like to have biscuits and gravy. I'm a Northwesterner, so I want hearty food. Great sink, and you can recover the area. So you've got a nice little vegetable sink on one side, and you've got this other sink on the other. It's just a kind of trailer that you can come in, you can get set up, you can enjoy your family or friends or your kids' friends. And everybody has a place. You can visit here and enjoy it. It's got a private bedroom for mom and dad. And this TV is going to swing out on an arm. And it's actually going to swing around. So let's say you've got a grandchild that thinks that a little guy or a girl. So this TV will swing around, so you could lie down and watch a movie, lay down with the baby or something like that. Nice big bed. And I'll open this so you can see how that works. Now I haven't unlatched the TV, but this thing swings around, so you can lay in bed and watch TV. Nice long bed, comfortable mattress. This is so new that they never even took the plastic off of it. So you've got a really nice, comfortable bed to lay down in, and that's what you need when you're out camping. You need that good night's rest because you played hard the day before. A charging station up here, a place for your folding clothes, and a nice closet. Come on out and take a look. There you go, thank you. And I probably should mention, the old standby, there's storage underneath the bed. Quite a bit of it. Well, I love doing these videos, but I have to tell you, there's nothing like walking in a travel trailer, a fifth wheel, a motorhome, any of these items. When you walk in the right one, you're going to know that. You're going to look at it and say, I really like this, and sit down on the couch and you'll be comfortable. Come on out to Guaranty. My name is Barbara.Balcom. My phone number is 541-521-4232, and I look forward to seeing you. Thanks so much.